How you doing? Mike from Auburn Christmas Light Show. Doing a little test on my RGB floods. These are 10-watt floods. I will have 5 of these going across my house. So just giving them a whirl to see distance, how high, the best placement. So I'm just going to run through them. This is just one flood. It looks like I have to aim it a little differently. I'm getting a glow really close. But color doesn't seem to be bad. I'm going to do individual colors now. So there's green, blue, white, red, orange, and another speed test. And again, these are lightorama RGB 10-watt floods, purchased through lightorama. And again, I have 5 to go across the front of my house. Alright, so this concludes this video. Keep in touch and check us out for some more videos this season. Thanks. Have a good night.